Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. What is the current in amperes if 1200 natrium plus ions flow across a cell membrane in 2.8 microsecond? The charge on the sodium is the same as on an electron but positive. So we have the charge of the one sodium, right? So I will have the charge of one sodium. So in case you don't know, Na here is a short for natrium, but also it's known as sodium in English. So we have sodium here, and this is the positive ion of it. Okay, so we will have the charge of one natrium atom here is equal to one electron but positive. Remember, the charge of the electron is negative 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. And this is electron, but remember we have but positive here. So we'll have plus. Okay. Now, what can we do from here? Remember that we have the current is equal to the difference of the charge divided by the difference of time. Okay, now this is one natrium atoms. Now we have 1200 of them, right? So I will have 1200. Okay, and then multiplied by this number here. So I'll have 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the minus 19. Okay, and then what is the time? That will be 2.8 microsecond. So I will have 2.8 here, but this is microsecond. We need to convert it into SI unit. So I will have 2.8 multiplied by 10 to the minus what? Micro is minus 6. Yeah, good. And I think here we can just plug this into calculator, right? So let's do exactly that. Okay, we will have that one. Let's prepare the fraction, and then let's plug that in. I will have 1200 multiplied by 1.6 and then multiplied by 10 to the minus 19. Then divided by 2.8 multiplied by 10 to the minus 6. Okay, I will have 6.86, I think. 6.86 and then multiplied by 10 to the minus 11. 10 to the minus 11. Okay, and because this one is in coulomb and this one is in second, we have the unit here is coulomb over second, or it is ampere, right? So that is the current for this situation. And I think that's all for this problem. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.